These low-carb keto almond flour shortbread cookies are deliciously buttery and sweet with less than 1 gram of carbs per cookie. To make these keto shortbread cookies, you only need 4 ingredients. Take a mixing bowl and whip together half a cup of room temperature salted butter and 5 tablespoons of stevia powder. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix some more. Gradually incorporate 1 cup of almond flour, mixing well between each addition. The cookie dough should turn out crumbly, but hold together when squeezed. If you don't have a cookie press, flatten the dough between 2 sheets of parchment paper to prevent sticking. Then use cookie cutters to shape it into about 1/4 inch thick pieces. Bake the shortbread cookies in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for around 12 to 14 minutes till your kitchen smells absolutely amazing and the edges of the cookie are slightly brown. Let the cookies cool and enjoy the crumbly and buttery texture. Check out also my other video here on how to make these nutritious and delicious almond flour pancakes that are fluffy, light, and have the perfect amount of sweetness. Check it out now.